To the softly spoken, the thoughtful, those happy to while away days alone, engrossed in books, nature, art, creating. Western culture has us believe that life as an extrovert is better than life as an introvert. But the hidden power to introversion should never be overlooked. Solitude provides space for self-awareness and creativity to flourish. Alone in nature, immersed in music, reading, writing, we begin to hear our inner voice, to understand and connect with our own personal and unique creative vision. Solitude is the key to creativity. Empathy, thoughtfulness, dedication, integrity, creating beautiful emotive work are amongst the strengths of introverts. Introverts, you're beautiful, unique, and very much needed in this world.